So in terms of sound, pretty even. There's a slightly sort of like metallic background noise. I find that's really normal with air conditioners. And what makes me happy is that it's unlike my old one, it's not doing this gang, 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 gang. Basically just a white noise machine. I wouldn't say quiet, but not annoying.
Burada tak şey off, raksze off smigcze. Tak trochę skurszy, ten mój typ. Teraz się nie.
No. Non, si la top ne tourne pas. Même quand je le mets sur mon ventilateur. Ça tourne ou pas?
Non, ça tourne pas là.
Non, absolument pas, on ressent absolument rien.
Ty všem, tu krn štětky si tomu věc, ještě vy, a rychle pos. Strapy bien.
No.
Если доки монсак, доки.
Look at this motor. There is an open circuit. And here's the motor. The motor is even riveted. As you can see, you cannot even open this motor. And after 4 days of usage, the motor is not working anymore. And you cannot buy this motor separately from online. And what are you gonna do with this now? I don't know what to do. That's it.